Listening to this meditation will make them regret hurting you, come back, apologize, and commit to you. They will be crying until they come back and reconcile with you. This will be their ultimate karma, and they will not be able to rest until they contact you. This meditation is only for those who want their specific person to understand how they felt and come back begging for a second chance. Now let's begin. They will regret their whole life until they apologize to me. They will regret hurting my feelings. They will regret being rude to me. They will be in the same pain as I was when they left me. They will be begging me to come in my life again. They will keep thinking about me. They want to talk to me so bad right now. They keep on asking me for my forgiveness. They want me to forgive them so bad. They are always thinking about me. They are trying to message me to say sorry right now. They are so obsessed with me. They want to talk to me so bad right now. They are always thinking about me before going to sleep. They realize they were wrong. They will cry all night and regret leaving me until they return. They beg me for forgiveness. They miss me and feel guilty for how they treated me. They feel the same pain they put me through. They regret every bad thing they did to me. They feel lonely without me. They are begging me to talk to them again. They are constantly haunted by the guilt and pain they put me through. They will be filled with regret until they come back and apologize to me. Type, they will be filled with regret until they come back and apologize to me to affirm this meditation. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help getting the person you desire, let me help you by making them obsessed with you. Their obsession for you will last for an eternity. And all you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. You can also listen to this next meditation to continue with your manifesting love journey.